Welcome to my channel on YouTube. I am here to present you with this video on YouTube. Enjoy the show. This is a food review called the Royal Oreo Blizzard Treat. Has a fudge in the middle and probably some Oreo cookies on it. With the fudge in the middle. And I'm going to try one. Very good. If you like the video, hit me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Check out my social media networks and my blogs. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.